I can't believe it, Amit. I can't believe the disrespect to Virat Kohli. People say he's the greatest batsman in the world across all three formats right now. You just look at the record, yaar. And some idiot has put out a tweet saying, what? You are overrated? You're not that great? I prefer England and Australian batsmen. Let me explain to you. In the last series against Australia, who scored 4 test centuries against Australia, in spite of losing the series, we had his Virat Kohli performance, keeping India's head held high like that.
True.
And against England, we lost 4-1. He scored all the runs for both sides. The one and only Virat Kohli across all three formats, dominating for the last decade. I think he's going to go down as one of the top 5 cricketers that ever played the game. That's how high I think he is. This idiot has tweeted, this moron has tweeted against Virat Kohli and said, overrated. Not that great a batsman. He's nothing. Who can do this? It's a crime. This is a crime. In my eyes, it's a complete crime and the guy should be arrested.
But Cyrus, you only sent the tweet.
Yeah?
Yeah.
When that second one-day game, he decided to let West Indies bat first. I was against that. I got angry that day. And that was a mistake, yeah. Can we pull it out? Too late, no?
It's too late now.
Kuch mat batao. Just keep it down. Keep it down. Happy Deepavali to one and all, or as we say in a hurry in the T20 generation, HD. HD auntie, HD uncle. And by one and all, by one I mean Yogi Adityanath, and by all I mean all of you. Yogi made it a special Diwali by renaming Faizabad district to Sri Ayodhya. I have a thought. Since he likes renaming so much, how about renaming Yogi Adityanath himself? Your options are A. Amar, B. Akbar, C. Anthony. Send your answers to Ayodhya or Sri Ayodhya or the other 4 Ayodhyas which are being made as we speak. In fact, he wants to go one step further and rename Lucknow Airport to Ram Airport. Meanwhile, back home in Delhi, CM Kejriwal wants to rename Delhi Airport to Closed. Fog, pollution, closed. Since Yogi Bhai is very intent on pushing the Ayodhya agenda, the opposition has a suggestion. Every Diwali in the future, all loud crackers should only be allowed in Ayodhya, nowhere else. Bear in mind, by then, 17 cities will be renamed Ayodhya, so that's a lot of cities. On the occasion of Diwali, President Putin sent a live portrait of himself to PM Modi. Not to be outdone, President Trump also sent a portrait of Putin to PM Modi. That was Putin, not Rajnath Singh. It wasn't lit properly, people get confused. 2 different people. Lots more coming up. Before we go into the headlines, I just want to add that the renaming spree is going across India. So India will be closed for 1 year while we rename all parts of India. Then we'll come back and continue with the show. But for now, here are the headlines. Happy Diwali to everybody, but Diwali is not helping Kejriwal's cough. And this Diwali, we talk about Bakshish. No money for travel? We help you plan your holiday. Also, Trump Tower at House of Reps, it's a no-show. Happy Diwali to everyone, and please don't burst any firecrackers, loud ones, otherwise we will remove your cracker. This happens every year during Diwali. Once again, Delhi recorded its worst air quality of the season this very week. A thick haze covered most of the city and pollution levels went up to the severe plus emergency. Or as we say in Delhi, severe plus emergency. Okay? While some blame the Delhi government for doing nothing, Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal has put the blame squarely on Punjab and Haryana farmers burning stubble. So let's talk to Anand Kejriwal, the alleged spokesperson of Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal. After a long time, here he is. Mr. Kejriwal ji, welcome to the show and a very, very happy Diwali to you. Okay, go on, take your time, clear your throat properly.
पूछे जी पूछे
Just wish to, by the way, a happy Deepavali.
देखिए जी कुछ हैप्पी नहीं है दिवाली में जी आम आदमी सब जानता है जी
You are speaking for people as well as yourself, right? This is what I want to talk to you about actually. What is happening in Delhi?
देखिए हमसे क्यों पूछ रहे हैं जी आप पंजाब गवर्नमेंट से पूछे जी हरियाणा गवर्नमेंट से पूछे जी आप बीजेपी गवर्नमेंट से पूछे जी
Right, so you are playing the blame game. What according to you is the cause of all this pollution, sir? Yes, exactly that. Are you okay? Are you all right?
मैं ठीक हूँ जी मैं ठीक हूँ बस कभी कभी खांसी आती है
Are you doing some poetry? Because of the pollution?
नहीं नहीं जी बिकॉज ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस
Meaning?
मीनिंग जी जब मुझे कोई जवाब नहीं सूझता तो मैं खांसी से कवर कर लेता हूँ खांसना पड़ता है
Oh, right, it's a technique that you've perfected. Fair enough, I like it. But I insist you answer my question about Delhi's pollution, which is the need of the hour.
देखिए जी इट्स ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ चेंज इन द विंड डायरेक्शन बता रहा हूँ जी
Hang on, change in wind direction. You mean blowing from the northwestern region? From say Haryana to Delhi?
नहीं जी नहीं चेंज इन विंड डायरेक्शन ब्लोइंग फ्रॉम भारतीय जनता पार्टी टू आम आदमी पार्टी, दिस वे जी, दिस वे.
This way from that side is that way from my side because the reverse is according to the camera dynamics. But don't start making this political, sir. Give me a solution. Solution.
मैंने सॉल्यूशन दिया था जी, ऑड इवन स्कीम दी थी, लेकिन हमारी बात कोई सुनता ही नहीं है जी.
Odd even scheme.
हाँ जी, ऑड दिन पंजाब में स्टबल जलाओ और इवन दिन हरियाणा में स्टबल जलाओ जी.
I thought so. और weekend को?
और वीकेंड को पूरा सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट को ही जला दो जी.
Oops, be careful. I don't think this is the solution.
तो फिर कांग्रेस से पूछिए जी आप, शायद उनके पास सॉल्यूशन हो.
But why do you think that Congress may have a solution to the Delhi pollution reaching a severe plus emergency level?
Because Congress is used to solving things with an emergency. 1975 हैं जी, हैं?
I wasn't even born. Look at me. I'm Priyanka Chopra's husband's age to be. Anyway, I don't think you have a solution to this problem. I'm going to just come out and tell you on your face. I don't think any of you have a solution to this problem. None of you.
देखिए जी, जनता सब जानती है
जनता क्या जानती है?
कि इसका कोई सॉल्यूशन नहीं है जी. जनता को पता है ये बात.
Yes, but why?
क्योंकि जी पंजाब और हरियाणा में दिल्ली से ज्यादा लोग हैं जी.
So?
तो अगर पंजाब और हरियाणा में दिल्ली से ज्यादा लोग हैं तो ज्यादा वोट भी है जी. हैं?
So what's the solution?
एक ही सॉल्यूशन है जी, एक ही सॉल्यूशन है.
क्या भाई क्या?
हम सब लोग मिलके ये गाना गा सकते हैं जी.
गाना?
सीने में जलन, आंखों में तूफान सा क्यों है. सीने में जलन, आंखों में तूफान सा क्यों है. इस शहर में हर शख्स परेशान सा क्यों है. इस शहर में हर शख्स परेशान सा क्यों है. सीने में जलन.
Yes, the word Parishan does make sense in this interview, in the context of our interview. Well, anyway, thank you so much and happy Deepavali to you, sir.
थैंक यू जी, थैंक यू. लेकिन ये हैप्पी दिवाली नहीं है जी, ये हैप्पी धुआली है.
Fake laugh, yes, but I'm trying to encourage in the spirit of Diwali everybody who I meet. So this is actually a positive encouragement to help him become a better person and a better jokester next time he appears on our show. Gentleman was there. But now, there is also a worrying factor about Diwali. Yes, I am going to speak about it. I am not scared. I will speak. I will raise my voice in India. I am not scared. Diwali brings a little problem. A big problem, actually. A huge problem, as Donald Trump would say. And that is the B word. I'm going to say it on air. Bakshish. Wherever you go, they are waiting. Suddenly saluting, suddenly namasteing, suddenly opening the door, holding your bag, holding your hand, carrying your mother-in-law, putting her in the car. Why? For 1 week they love you. Just for 1 week. And it's not true love. It's because they want bakshish. My point is demonetization. They took away bakshish. Why am I giving bakshish? Anyway, let's find out by going to an office and seeing how people have to deal, how management has to deal with the bakshish scenario. Here it is.
हाँ तो ट्रक किधर पहुंचा है बोलना मेरे को. है
सर.
अरे ऐसा कैसा होएगा.
सर एक बात.
तो मैं फोन पे हूँ, 1 मिनट. हाँ तो ट्रक पहुंचा क्या. चेकला का पहुंचा.
सर एक बात था वो आपसे.
अरे बहुत कंसाइनमेंट बहुत महंगा है अंदर.
सर
क्या है क्या.
बख्शीश आप बोला दिवाली.
बाद में फोन.
2 हफ्ता हो गया सर दिवाली को. सब कितना बाद और
1 मिनट पेट्रोल लगा पहुंचेगा ना तो फिर तू.
सर आपने बोला था दिवाली में देगा सर बख्शीश, तो बनता है ना सर अपना.
फोन पे दिखता नहीं तेरे को. मैं खत्म करूं फोन 1 मिनट. हाँ तो क्या किधर पहुंचा तू. टोल लगा पहुंचा क्या. नहीं
सर
पहुंचा.
फोन तो दिन भर चलेगा सर बख्शीश.
तू 1 कप चाय लेकर आ. जा गो गेट 1 कप ऑफ टी गो. तो पहुंचा.
Yeah, I don't think it's working, yaar. I really feel we should do something about it.
साहब बख्शीश दिवाली पे. हैप्पी दिवाली साहब. हैप्पी दिवाली.
सब ठीक है.
हाँ सर ठीक है.
ओ बेटा कैसे है.
बहुत बढ़िया.
बेटी
बढ़िया.
Only
बख्शीश
हो जाएगा. हैप्पी दिवाली. और क्या चलता है.
बस बाकी ठीक है बख्शीश.
नेक्स्ट मंथ वो फाइल लाना जल्दी यार. हाँ ठीक है.
फाइल तो मैं लाएगा सर बख्शीश.
जल्दी मीटिंग हो जाएगी. एक काम करो.
हैप्पी दिवाली सर.
हैप्पी दिवाली. 1 कप चाय वो कड़क वाला मेरे को चाहिए. एंड शक्कर का.
Don't be silly. You're being mad. You're being mad. Of course not.
मैडम वो एक बात करनी थी आपसे.
Is this about Diwali Bakshish?
Yes. हैप्पी दिवाली मैडम.
Are you freaking kidding me?
No, I have.
Do you understand what this country is going through? Do you have any idea of the fiscal problems, of the economic problems, recession? You realize there's no money in this country and you're coming to ask for money? You know what, Sanju? Let me give you one little piece of advice. I'll give you something.
Okay.
I will give you the knowledge that you are fired.
शायद मतलब
Yeah, I'm letting you go.
आप नौकरी से निकाल रहे हैं?
Well, you decide. You want bakshish or naukri? Make a
ऐसे
decision.
मत कीजिए, नहीं देखिए ऐसे मत कीजिए मैडम, छोटा छोटा बच्चे हैं, किडिंग, छोटा छोटा बच्चा
The
देखिए।
decision is on your court. The ball is in
अच्छा
your
ठीक
court,
है,
Sanju.
ठीक है मैडम, आप बख्शिश मत दीजिए, मैं चलेगा।
Thank you. एक cup chai lao. Shakkar bina. Thank you. Ja. And that's how it's done.
Wow, and that is the week that wasn't spin on Me Too. Women empowerment, women power, as we say. You see, this is no longer Me Too, this is now B2 or Bakshish 2. How to deal with people asking for Bakshish. That word, it hurts me. Why didn't we change that word Bakshish? With demonetization, shouldn't Bakshish have gone? Shouldn't they just go to a Paytm and figure out what they are expected to get? Why go through me? Why do I have to pay people I never see again? Like the watchman in this studio, it really drives me mad. We'll take a break and then come back. By the way, ask management, do we get Bakshish? This saal bhi nahi. Not even pagar. Welcome back, and may I say happy Diwali, because it is Diwali and you should be happy. If you're not happy, don't blame me. I don't run the country. All right? But happy Diwali. Happy Diwali. Get it off your chest. Okay, folks, let's talk about cards during Diwali. There are two types of cards. The ones you play and, then you gamble, which is against the law, and then you give cash money to each other, which is against the law, and then sometimes jewelry, which has not been paid for, which is against the law, or from Nirav Modi, who is also away from the law at the moment. But that aside, there are Diwali cards that we give as greetings. We used to, at least. And I found a few on the internet. I don't know if they are authentic. Let's take a look. Here is one, Raga, aka Rahul Gandhi ji, sent one to Yogi Adityanath, and it says, "All the best this Diwali to you, Yogi ji, and your family." Oh, that's right. Sorry, all the best then just to you, because he's Yogi and there's no family, so to speak. And then Namoji sent one to Raga. "Best wishes this Diwali. Please remember Ayodhya is spelled with an A." It's a bit mean. Then Raga replied apparently to Namo, "Best wishes to you, PMG. Is it the same A as in Aadhar?" Short ball into the ribcage. And of course, the reply from Namo to Raga, "Best wishes, and remember, Aadhar is spelled with double A." Ooh, wow. And then the final reply from Raga to Namoji, "Best wishes, Namoji, but is there an A in demonetization?" Is there an A? Everybody's thinking, looking at the word in your mind, there is an A, there is an A. Anyway, the holiday season is in full swing. This year too, there's the usual rush for tickets and destinations, and nobody is as busy as our travel agents. Joining us now is the owner and proprietor of Murugaraja Tours and Travels. They give a 40% discount to all employees of this channel where we work. No, they don't. Anyway, let's go straight to him. Murugaraja ji.
Sir, how are you, sir? And welcome to India's leading travel agency. We are travel agents for all celebs and leading politicians, sir.
All leading celebs, every famous, not every famous guy, like one or two, not every famous guy. Anyway, so all over India, is it?
Yes, we specialize in 3 states.
3 states. Which are these 3 states?
Happy state, peaceful state, and Me Too state.
Why would you do that? Don't do that. Don't mention peaceful. That doesn't make any sense. That's great. But you have the most unusual name. Can I just mention, what is that name?
Yes, sir. Myself, P. Murugaraja of Murugaraja Tours and Travels. Murugaraja named after a world famous travel agency, sir.
Which world famous travel agency is called Murugaraja?
I'll explain. Murugaraja, Murga, Hindi cock. Raja, Hindi king. Murga, Raja, cocks and kings.
Well, don't say it again and again. Just give me. I'm now thrown. Okay, let's talk about Diwali and where should people go this Diwali?
Yes, sir. Happy Diwali to you and your family. Can I book a lovely holiday for you, sir? I have some great cheap deals.
Beautiful. Now, this is the language you should use, not that name explanation. Because cheap deals are the 2 best words in the English language. To where?
Say, maybe Burma, sir, Myanmar?
Myanmar, I'm not sure.
Yes, buy 2 and get 2 free.
Buy 2 and get 2 free. So if 2 of us go to Myanmar, I can take 2 more at the same price free.
No, sir. If 2 of you go to Myanmar, you can get 2 people free back into India.
I get 2 people back from Myanmar. Refugees? No, I'm not interested in Myanmar then. No. Anything else?
Yes, sir. What about going to new place, Pyongyang?
Pyongyang, North Korea. But nobody feels safe in North Korea. No, not North Korea.
Whoa.
By the way, what kind of deal do you have there? Just in case my friend he's not got money, Kunal Vijayakar, in case he wants to go, huh? Is it the same deal, buy 2 and get 2 free?
Oh, no, sir. Slightly different deal.
What's the deal?
See, with North Korea, with every 4 people that go there, 2 may not come back only.
I'll get back to you after this interaction. Huh? I want to talk about that. Okay, forget about all that. I want to know where celebrities and politicians are going for their Diwali vacation. In fact, do you have any celeb or politician who's booked with you specifically? Can you tell us?
Yes, I'm doing some bookings right now.
So tell me names.
I think the Ranveer and Deepika are for honeymoon going to Reykjavik.
No, it's not Reykjavik, it's pronounced Reykjavik. And why are they going to Reykjavik?
Because, sir, no Indian can pronounce Reykjavik, hence nobody will go there and disturb them only. Reykjavik.
Good point, which also means I'm not Indian because I can say Reykjavik. What about our politicians? Are they also taking off for the holidays? Any famous names?
Some people are like Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath going on holiday.
Yogi Adityanath, the man who works 22 hours a day except Sundays. I'd have thought he'd stay in UP.
Nah, he's booked short holiday for US. Just outside LA, in area where he thought he'd be very comfortable.
One sec, where's that outside LA? What are you?
Orange County.
Orange? Okay, who else?
And then Rahul Gandhi.
Yeah, where's Rahul Gandhi going this Diwali? Please enlighten us.
He normally goes to some secret place in the east or to Europe.
Okay, so where's he going this Diwali? Come on.
He told me to book him in holiday in some place he's never been before only. So I suggested Amethi.
Oh, naughty boy. And finally, where is the Prime Minister going? That would be great if you could share that with us.
Oh, Prime Minister is big surprise.
Come on. A surprise. The Prime Minister, everyone will know where he's going. Tell us.
Now, when everybody hears where he's going, people will be amazed, astonished and flabbergasted.
Listen, I'm very curious. Come on, do this for me and I might take you up on the North Korea thing. Make some money on the side. So where's the Prime Minister going?
Where nobody is expecting at all.
Where?
Nowhere. He's going to stay in country for once only.
All right. Of course, Diwali is now over, more or less. The season is ended. And so in a few seconds, he will be boarding a plane to a first world country. And why not? Why not? I don't know why I become effeminate when I do that, but why not? Let's talk about the Donald. The Donald nominated A.B. Cullen House to be the US ambassador to Australia. The Donald's reason? Cullen House can speak Australian. No, he doesn't want to meet Virat Kohli. That's not the reason. As the US went to polls for all 435 seats in the House of Reps and 35 seats in the Senate out of 100, the war cries continued to be the same. Democrats said, we need change. And Trump said, Democrats are insane. But he lost, so that means he voted Democrat himself. Let's go straight to Washington, to the White House, to find out a man who may or may not be Donald Trump. Mr. President.
It's a huge celebration, the best celebration. I've organized the celebration. They all love me. I'm the best. It's a winner. I'm huge.
Wow, Mr. President, you look a little short. Oh, that's right, short of seats. Are you celebrating your win in the Senate?
No, I'm celebrating Happy Diwali.
Diwali? How come you're celebrating Diwali?
Because after these midterm elections, every day is going to be Diwali in the Congress. It's tremendous. It's huge.
Meaning what? Meaning?
Firecrackers. Every day, huge bomb blast is going to be tremendous.
Right. It makes no sense whatsoever, but please go on.
And if your Supreme Court has banned the manufacture of rockets, guns, and fireworks, You can buy them from us. Don't bother with Russia and France. We'll give you a huge discount. It will be huge.
Yes, but do we have to pay GST? It's all confusing our tax structure at the moment. By the way, is it true that some schools in some states of Northeast USA have declared a public holiday for Diwali?
I didn't do that. I had nothing to do with that. That was all President Obama's fault. It was a huge mistake. I have to now sit and make amends, change it. I have to make everybody happy.
Happy. And how are you planning on correcting this? Are you planning on cancelling the Diwali holiday?
No, I'm planning on adding one more holiday for close friends.
Close friends. Which holiday?
Saudi New Year.
There's no such thing as Saudi New Year. Saudi creativity, yes, but not New Year.
There may be a holiday for Mohammed bin Salman's birthday. It's a huge day.
Yes, huge day, huge day. Speaking of which, you just had a huge day with not such good results. In fact, you lost the House of Representatives.
House of Reps, what's the big deal? It's not like losing my house, Trump Towers.
Okay, good to know you're positive about everything. So let's talk about the US midterms in detail. Go on.
It was a tremendous success. It was huge. I won. It was because of me. I went and made all those speeches. It was huge. I'm the best. People love me.
Have you actually spoken to people about this? But you know, you ran a fairly divisive campaign and yet didn't get the results completely that you wanted?
Maybe we have to learn a few lessons.
I think so, but from whom?
From our friends. I have a few ideas I've just learned from India.
From us, India. What do you plan to do?
I've decided to change the name of a few cities.
Ah, that's our thing. You haven't, have you?
For example, we could rename Washington, D.C. to something a little more white.
Did you say a little more white?
Yeah, change the name of Washington, D.C. to say Williamston, D.C.
Hold on, wait, hang on, hold on, one
Or
second.
Los Angeles to something a little less Hispanic. Say Los Angelville.
Doesn't ring true, and also your accent, is that Canadian? It's all over the place.
Maybe we could break down a few mosques and build some more churches. It's going to be huge.
Okay, listen, forget I even asked you this question. I think we should talk about happier things. Let's go back to Diwali.
Happy Diwali! Happy Diwali!
Yes, never thought a festival like Diwali would interest someone like you, if you are Mr. Trump, that is.
I love Diwali. It's huge. Mike Pompeo just told me that Diwali celebrates the triumph of light over darkness.
That is the actual one-liner on Diwali.
Light over darkness, which means is the triumph of white people over dark people. It's huge. Happy Diwali.
My God, man, you can't talk like that. You're supposed to be the most powerful man in the world behaving like this. Learn from our politicians. What would Yogi say? He would never talk like this. He would never say something like that. He would just say, Ayodhya, 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 Ayodhya. Ayodhya. We'll see you soon.
It's not a mess no in front of me now.
Can we start?
फूटेंगे जी हमारे इलेक्शन के बाद.
You know, the prompter needs to go with what I'm saying.
बदल दो नाम.
हाँ, थैंक यू.
थोड़ा tilt up करो क्या? I'm ready.
Off the record. हाँ.
हाँ, वो उतना पॉज रखने की जरूरत नहीं है.